what's up guys, it's TheGearChange here, back with another video. Today I will be installing my RS headlights. Been looking for some of these for a long while. Very hard to find, and as you know, quite expensive, but I managed to find some on Facebook Marketplace, a couple places. And I've got them here and I'm going to show you how to install them. So this is them. So as you can see, one is slightly older than the other. No idea why that is, that's just how the guy got them, but I've polished this one up and it looks pretty good. But you know, when they're on the car, no one's really gonna know the difference. So yeah, gonna show you guys how to put them in now. All right, so here I am on the driver's side headlight. It's pretty easy to get these out. Probably easier than a lot of other cars. You just get some sort of flat blade screwdriver, and you undo this bolt here. And underneath, I think it's at the top and the bottom, there should be two tabs that help clip it into place. So get that out, put that down there. And then you've got a tab that you can briefly see by the connector here. So you got that one there, and then you got another one that's down in that spot there. So I'm going to do this with one hand. Okay, that's undone. I have to put the phone on a stand real quick, hold up. Alright, so got a tripod set up. So you basically undo this clip here, and then down under here you can kind of feel it. You kind of need to just push on the tab and you should feel it come loose. So that one's undone. This one's a little bit tricky, but there you go. Right, so now that I got that out, you just carefully get the plug, and I'll see if I can get bring it around. So yeah, as you can see on the plug here, this bit here is like a little tab, so you need to get your flat blade screwdriver and put it in there to kind of pry it up, and then you can pull the connector out. So let's see if I can get the flat blade. Very tricky with one hand. Let's see if I can. There you go. So I didn't even need to pull it. I just pulled the tab. And then the headlight should come up and out. So there you go. That's the old headlight. So yeah, you got one tab that goes into this slot, and then another that goes up into here, and then obviously you connect them. So yeah, I'll just repeat the same on the other side, and I'll show you guys how to put the lights back in. Alright, so I've put one of the RS headlights in, as you can see, on this side here, and I've got the other one here on me for this side. So same thing applies. You got a clip and tab there and a tab there, so you just got to get the light up and into its spots carefully. Tricky. Right, so that's kind of where it needs to go. Then, yeah, alright. So I can flip it in first. It's tricky than I thought. Moving up. Up. Put that up top. Right, that's clipped on, so it should just hopefully slide up and in. So I've got a crappy camera in this end, but you can see that clip's gone in, and the one up top, which is down in there, has also gone in. So, yep, there we go. So, just have to put this screw in the top here. So I'll go get my screwdriver. And screw this bad boy in. Show you guys what it looks like when they're on. For anyone who does have an XR5 and knows how dull the factory headlights are. These are far, far better. But, as I said earlier, they are very, very hard to find. So there we go. 2 RS headlights. Pretty snazzy. Alright, I'll turn the car on in accessory mode and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so one thing I forgot to record yesterday was showing you guys how to adjust the headlights manually. With the XR5, it doesn't have the auto adjustment. So you have this little thing in here, just use like a flathead, and down in there, I don't know if you can see it, you can kind of see it, it's that little thing right there. So if I get my screwdriver and put it in there and we watch this here carefully. See if I can focus it up. Sorry for my fingers in the way. Yeah. So you can see that it's moving up. I don't know if the camera's picking that up well, but it's slowly moving up. And this is for the horizontal adjustment. So yeah, so horizontal and vertical adjustment. So that's how you do it for both headlights. I'm just trying to match them up now because I didn't get time when I put them in yesterday as it got too dark. So obviously this one's brand new and that one's slightly older. So that one over there is pretty much adjusted kind of where I want it. I'm just trying to match this brand new one up now. So just thought I'd show you guys that in case people manage to get their hands on these and are not sure what to do. Alright, so here are the headlights on. You can also see the side LEDs. I think I might change them for the Illuma ones that are in my current headlights. Probably just do it another time. But yeah, they're pretty damn bright, as you can see here. Especially this one, brand new one. It's pretty crazy how much better they look and how much brighter they are, especially, you know, even just in the daytime. Like it's the afternoon, it's really good. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and hope that helps some of you out. And yeah, got some more content on the way, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.